Okay. Bend this knee for me, Jim. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Straighten the leg and drop down. Bend the knee. Good. Turn your head to the left. Push out. Left ear to left shoulder. Bring the ear across. Hold that one. That's a tricky one. That one. Push out. Back to the middle. And lie down. Breathe down. Push your way down. Up again. And breathe out. Breathe down. Okay, on. Hold on. And then right sacroiliac joint, okay?
Okay.
Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Good job. And breathe out, drop shoulders, let the arms relax down, gently let them go. That's it. Okay, that's all. So you had back problems for 20 years.
Yeah.
And really quite bad at times?
No, it's only for the past few years it started getting really bad.
So 20 years it started, in the last 5 years it's gone really bad?
Yeah, 5, 6 years.
And how did it impact your life? How did it change what you're doing?
It actually changed my life a lot because I can't sleep. Sleeping, even social
life,
yeah.
sleeping, etc. And you've had 5 treatments now, haven't you? 4 treatments?
Is it 4?
4 or 5. How are you doing?
You know, I feel much better.
Can you sleep a bit better? Have you slept a bit better?
Yeah, a little bit
It's
better.
early days,
You don't
it's
pain
early
as much. You don't pain as much as it
good.
used to.
Okay, brilliant. Well, thanks a lot for that. And
Yeah.
Are you trying to get out a bit more?
Yeah,
Okay.
because I'm back at work now, so I'm more active
Brilliant.
now.
So just stick with it. You're doing
Yeah.
much better. 4 or 5 treatments in, and we're already getting
I can actually feel it.
big
I
differences.
can. I really
Oh,
can.
thank you.
Yeah.